Hey, skr skr, Kelly.
I'm here and I'm here to do the forever tag. I am actually in my closet right now, so I decided to shoot in my closet because it just is easier to do it this way, because then I'd have to bring all the stuff into my filming room, which is like my makeup room, and I did not want to do that. So I'm just going to be, I guess, just pulling the pieces and showing you the forever pieces. I'm just going to jump right in. These items are in no particular order. I'm just going to see and pull. So the first piece that I want to show you guys is my Louis Vuitton Couchette. I think they call it accessoire or something. I got mine when I was 16. I worked at a, where did I work at? I worked at an ice cream shop in my town, and it was $167, and like I said, I think that was in 2002, but here it is. I have since replaced the strap because that strap has just worn away so much, but I will always have this in my collection because it is my first Louis Vuitton piece that I owned, and I purchased this with my own money, and I was very proud. Eva Clutch. Anything that was gifted to me is gonna be in my collection forever, whether I like it or not. Like, that's just, it's like sentimental. So I have the Eva Clutch in the Damier Azur. I got this years ago, and I do wear it. I actually really like to use it on vacation. Next, anything that I have my initials in. So this is the Louis Vuitton PM Agenda. I have since converted it into a passport holder, which it works great for a passport holder. The PM Agenda, it just didn't really work with me, and I do have a video on how to convert that. So like, this does have my initials in it. Chanel Chain Me. This is my first leather Chanel bag that I ever got, and this is why it will always be in my collection. So next is my Louis Vuitton Delightful MM size. This was gifted to me by my parents for my birthday one year, some years ago. I actually don't even like this bag. Louis Vuitton, Christian Louboutin. These are my Pagals. It's just a black pump, simple black pump, and I have the cornels in a nude, patent leather nude, and the cornell, you see, goes asymmetrical, where the Pagal just goes straight across. So these will be in my collection, or I'll just always have a black pair of Louboutins and a nude pair. You always need a black and a nude pump. Two Hermes Twillies. These were gifted. So here's the first one. It's really pretty. Here is the second one. So Louis Vuitton key holder, 4-key holder, and this has my initials in it, and it's just, I mean, it's a good piece to have, so it's no point in me selling it. Josephine wallet. This too was gifted to me, and it has my initials in it. Which I have seen people sell things with their initials, but I'm just not doing that. Louis Vuitton coin case. This was gifted to me. This actually was gifted to me from my brother, which we don't usually buy each other luxury goods, but he had went to Paris and he got this for me, and it wasn't a birthday gift or anything like that, and I thought that was so nice, so I will never sell this or get rid of it. And I do put coins in. YSL Artie ring. My these items were gifted to me. My YSL other YSL Artie ring. My Chanel iridescent earrings. I love those earrings so much. Chanel pendant. This was gifted to me, and because the matching earrings. I'm sorry, Chanel brooch. This is one of them. This is this was Chanel gloves. They're like biker gloves. So these will always be in the collection. This was a gift. And now classic pearl necklace. The reason why I was gonna sell it is because the friggin' little mini pearls come out, and this is some fucking bullshit because I don't dog my stuff up, but I'm not gonna sell it because it's just not worth it to me to sell it. So, and that is my Hermes Belt Kit. I have two. So this is in the color Noir and Blue Jean, and this has a silver H. So I have a silver H with my belt kit, but this is black. It's the Noir. I'm sorry, they call it Noir, and the tan color is called Gold. And I have my gold H, and it's in the smooth gold. It is not the burnished gold. Yeah, that's it for my forever pieces. I pretty much covered everything. Like I said, if it was gifted to me, it's staying. If it is yeah, if it's gifted to me, that's staying. And most of my Chanel jewelry, I have no reason to sell my Chanel jewelry. If you have not done this tag, go ahead and do it. If you've done it, let me know in the comments. I'll go check it out. And I'm going to tag, of course, my YouTube best friend Kiko. I have to tag her. That's my girl. So that is it. That is it. And if you have any of these items and they are in your forever, one of your forever pieces, let me know in the comments. So I will see you guys at a later date.